Hey, I'm Ryan Smith from Functional Devices, your industry-leading solution for UL-listed control devices that are built right here in America. Welcome to RIBU University, your source to learn all things RIB building automation. If you've ever found yourself wondering, what's a power supply or why do I need one? Well, this is the video for you. Here at Functional Devices, we love combining things. To us, a relay and CT combo is just as great as peanut butter and jelly, peas and carrots, pizza and pineapple. What? Yeah, I know, maybe that one's a little controversial. What I mean to say is we built a brand out of pre-assembling components that you need for your projects and packaging them together so you don't have to. At the heart of our strategy is helping you save time and money on your projects. RIB power supplies take all the components that you need for panel power and combine them into one UL-listed device. Save yourself the time of engineering, sourcing, and assembling all of your power supply components by using a RIB power supply. Models starting with PSH start at 40 VA and go all the way up to 500 VA. RIB power supplies combine a transformer with switches, breakers, terminal strips, power outlets, and status LEDs in a box, ready to install on a panel. You can choose from 24 volt AC or 24 volt DC secondaries, depending on what your control system requires. If you just need 24 volts AC or DC to power a specific control device, take a look at models that start with PSM that are track mounted and ready to install on a panel. Want to eliminate even more work for your installers? You can order a RIB power supply pre-installed in an enclosure, ready to mount on the wall right out of the box. Every RIB power supply that comes out of our ISO certified facility is fully tested and ready to use on a project. We're committed to quality manufacturing and have the highest success rates in the industry. When a RIB product reaches your customer's building, you can count on it to work. Thank you for watching RIB University. Make sure you check us out online at functionaldevices.com so you can see all the options for pre-assembled RIB power supplies. If you've got a question, shoot me an email, ribu@functionaldevices.com. But make sure you like and subscribe here on YouTube for more content just like this.